In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to quickly select all the content on your screen using a simple keyboard shortcut on your Windows or Chromebook device. This is an essential skill that can significantly enhance your efficiency whether you're navigating documents, web pages, or spreadsheets. Let's dive into it. First, let's talk about why you might need this shortcut. Imagine you're working on a large document and you need to make formatting changes across an entire section. Or perhaps you're browsing a web page and you want to copy every bit of information for further use. Instead of dragging the mouse across endless lines of text, there's a much quicker way to achieve this. The keyboard shortcut to select everything on your screen is an immense time saver and can help reduce repetitive strain from mouse usage. Let's get straight into the mechanics of this shortcut. If you're using a Windows computer or a Chromebook, you'll want to locate the Control key on your keyboard. It's typically on the bottom left corner of your keyboard. Simultaneously identify the letter A. It's crucial to use both hands for this, one finger to hold down Control and the other to tap A. When done correctly, hitting these two keys together will select everything on your current screen. This could range from text to images and anything in between. Using this shortcut, especially in document editors and spreadsheets, can allow you to quickly cut, copy, or modify entire sections of your work without hassle. You might find it useful in applications like Microsoft Word or Excel, where selecting all the contents enables you to shift the data to another document or make universal changes. Keep in mind, however, that the interface or application you're using needs to be active. If your cursor isn't in the right area or window, the shortcut might not function as expected. So double check which window is active by simply clicking within it before attempting the shortcut. It's also important to note that the shortcut is universally recognized across most applications on Windows and Chromebooks. Despite the ubiquity of this tool, some specialized software might use this command for a different function due to unique key bindings or preferences set by the user. If the shortcut doesn't work in a specific piece of software, you may need to check the software's help section or user manual for further guidance. As we wrap up, remember this: learning to master the use of keyboard shortcuts like Ctrl and A can significantly improve your productivity. It's a small step that simplifies your workflow and reduces time spent on redundant activities. Practice makes perfect, and with frequent use, this will soon become second nature. Thank you for watching, and I hope you find this tip useful in your daily tasks. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and stay tuned for more insightful tips.